Please have a seat. Magandang umaga po, a pleasant morning to every one of us. I will keep my message short. In the interest of brevity, please allow me to dispense with the formalities. But of course, I have to take this opportunity to thank first and foremost our representatives from the Government of India to the Embassy of India in the Philippines. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Of course, led by Dr. Sadre Alam. Sir, thank you very much. When you went to the office, when you visited me in my office to pitch the idea of a job fair, or rather a job fiesta, we were very happy because we saw the portfolios of the companies that would be part of this job fair, offering more than thousands of jobs, more than 2,000 jobs, quality jobs at that. And when you invited us to be your partner, we were very, very happy. We feel very honored, and it is truly a privilege. On behalf of the government of the city of Pasig, we would like to thank you and extend our gratitude to you. We are very happy to be part of the deepening and strengthening relationship of the governments of India and the Philippines. As you mentioned, we are celebrating 75 years of our bilateral relationship, and the city of Pasig is happy to play a small part in that. Of course, I'd like to take this opportunity also to thank everyone who is here with us. Yung mga kasama ko mula sa national at lokal na pamahalaan, hindi ko na po isa-isahin. Importante po yung mga kasama natin, yung mga bisita po natin. But of course, I have to mention also our friends from Robinsons. Thank you for always entertaining us whenever we have programs and projects. Thank you very much for your time and your effort. Of course, our friends from the India Business Forum, the India Women in Enterprise, to the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce in Philippines. Maraming salamat po. Thank you very much. Of course, we have our local partners also from the PCCI, again, the different national government agencies, of course, led by Dole, who's always very supportive of us. And of course, to our job seekers, sa mga aplikante po natin, good luck po sa inyo. We wish you all the best. And hopefully, marami po tayo ngayon dun sa tinatawag natin na HOTS, or hired on the spot. Good luck everyone, and to everyone who contributed to make this job fiesta possible. Again, thank you very much. And to all of us, congratulations po. Maraming salamat.
A pleasant morning, of course, to our dear Mayor Vico Soto. From the Embassy of India, Dr. Alam, sir, thank you for being here. Our partners from the Department of Labor and Employment, other members of the contingent from the Business Forum of India, of course the Pasig or the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Manjo, the members of the India Business Forum, India Women in Enterprise, and other stakeholders that are here today. In behalf again of the City Government of Pasig, we would like to express our profound gratitude and thanks for choosing the City of Pasig amongst the thousands of other cities and municipalities throughout the country. You have given the honor and privilege of choosing Pasig City to be the host of the first ever India-Philippines job fair or job fiesta. I believe that our constituents here in the city of Pasig and our nearby cities such as Marikina in the province of Rizal are truly lucky to be granted this opportunity. It was mentioned earlier that there are 2,500 available on the spot hiring jobs available, with another 1,200 upscaling opportunities. So I hope that the people the people in our surrounding communities take advantage of this and this opportunity for them. And again, we would like to thank the business sector from India for giving opportunities to us, because I know that not all your companies are based here in the city of Pasig, yet you have chosen our city. So again, we would like to thank you and express our not only our gratitude but our profound support and our promise that if and when you need the city government of Pasig in future endeavors, we are here standing with you and beside you, and hopefully for many more opportunities ahead. Again, a pleasant good morning and God bless us.
Honorable Mayor of Pasig City, Vico Soto, the Vice Mayor of the Pasig City, our Charge d'Affaires from Embassy of India, Dr. Sadri Alam, Honorable PCCI President Mangio, other officials from the Pasig City, Department of Labor and other key departments of the Philippines, and my colleagues and friends from India Business Forum, IB, Indian Women and Enterprise, Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce. Good morning, Mabuhay and Magandang Umaga. First of all, let me welcome to all of you for the first of its kind, the Job Fiesta organized by Embassy of India under the leadership of our Charge d'Affaires, Dr. Sadri Alam, who has somehow motivated all the Indian organization to arrange this kind of job fair. As he rightly mentioned, that today India is not job seeker, but we are more job provider. So just to reiterate one thing more to tell you, that Indian companies from all these organizations are hiring approximately 20,000 people monthly in the Philippines, which are located in different parts of the country. So when I say this figure, these are the people when they're hiring, of course the attrition rate do happens. So companies like HGS, SCL, Wipro, and other pharmaceutical companies who are based in the Philippines, they are very pioneering and they're very aggressive in hiring the manpower. So the manpower is something which brings the people-to-people connect, which brings the technologies, know-how among the Filipinos even, who can grow further by enhancing their salary, pay package, etc. And most important, by improving their knowledge and skills. So Indian companies are in the Philippines today providing that set of knowledge and skills which very much need of the hour as of now. I would like to keep this message short, and I would like to thank you again, all the departments here, for their support. Support coming from all the organizations, IB and the FICCI. Thanks a lot for all the employers who are present over here to provide the job opportunities to all the job seekers. Thank you all the job seekers who has come over here. Best of luck and good luck to you. Thank you to all.
Again, I still would like to acknowledge a few of our very important guests this morning, headed by our Honorable Mayor of Pasig, Mayor Vico Soto, and also by our Vice Mayor Robert Vincent Jude Jaworski. Our Charge d'Affaires of the Embassy of India, Dr. Sadri Alam, and to my dedicated colleagues from PCCI, headed by our Honorary Chair and now Treasurer, Mr. Sergio Ortiz Ruiz, our Vice President for International, and now our Chairman for our Philippine Business Conference, Vice President Jude Aguilar, our Chairman for CSR, my Ate Nora Lacuna, and also Delia Jimenez, one of our assistants for the regional affairs, and did I miss anyone from PCCI? Oh, Mr. Gianni Trociani, our Chairman for Philippine-India Business Council. Sorry, sir, for a little reaching the end of the tunnel really is difficult. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, magandang umaga po. An exciting morning to all of us. In behalf of the Board of Directors and Officers of Philippine Chamber of Commerce, we extend our congratulations to the lead organizers of today's very important job fair, the Embassy of India and the City Government of Pasig. We in PCCI appreciate very much activities like we have today in this vibrant city of Pasig, as they go a long way in providing our countrymen to employment opportunities. Likewise, this wonderful event further reaffirms the very strong ties that connect our two countries, the Philippines and India. The India-Philippine Job Fair is proof of our shared commitment to strengthening our economy and cultural ties and enriching the lives of our people. To all the job seekers, we encourage you to bring to the forefront your skills, your passion, and determination as you explore opportunities during this job fair. Always remember that your potentials knows no bounds. To the employers and recruiters, thank you for recognizing talent beyond borders and for your dedication in building diverse and inclusive workforce, allowing a deeper understanding of cultures and cultivating a sense of camaraderie and friendship. Again, we love the Embassy of India in Manila and the City Government of Pasig for spearheading this event. We also acknowledge the assistance and support of our Department of Labor and Employment, our Honorable Bienvenido Reguesma as our Labor Secretary, and the support of Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce, the Indian Business Forum, Indian Women in Enterprise, and Robinson's Metro East. Please be assured that we in PCCI fully support your initiatives and will always continue to be ready to partner with you as we pursue our shared goal as a progressive and inclusive economy. I wish each and every one of you success and hope that today's event leads to more fruitful partnership. Let us face this day full of optimism, knowing that this job fair can transform lives and marks the beginning of new possibilities. Together, we can achieve great things. Magandang umaga po uli at mabuhay tayong lahat.
Officially, we are launching the very first Indian-Philippine Job Fair. Let's all give a round of applause as they cut the ribbon. This ribbon cutting represented the beginning of new careers, new beginnings, and new possibilities for everyone. This is a wonderful photo opportunity to see the bilateral relations of India and the Philippines.
Ready, guys? Right, 1, 2, 3.
Congratulations and thank you once again to our event organizers and partners, the Embassy of India, the City Government of Pasig, the PESO, Indian Business Organizations, DOLE, PCCI, and Robinson's Metro East. Ladies and gentlemen, with great pleasure, the job fair is officially open. Let's celebrate this moment with a big round of applause.